Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an email template on Hubspot. First, go ahead and log into your Hubspot account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, click on Marketing and choose on Email. Now, click on Create Email on the top right. You can choose on Regular. Here, you can create a new template, but it is only available on an upgraded plan or account. But once you have that, you can just go ahead and easily make a template. Now, for a free option or another option, you can go to CRM on the left panel, then select on Message Templates. After that, click on New Template at the top right. Here you can start from scratch or from template library. I'm gonna start from scratch. Here you can generate with AI to have an email template, but in my case, I have already one, so I'm just going ahead and paste it in here. Now that I have it, in the content of it, I can also insert an image. So I'm just gonna upload new one. For here, I'm gonna upload our company logo. You can also go ahead and do that. Now just resize it to your liking. After that, you can go to the bottom of your message. I will gonna add an image again for it. This time I'm gonna add a click here image button. Once added, go ahead and resize it also. Now for this image, I'm gonna add a link for it. So click this link icon, and here you can input a URL for it. So for here, I'm gonna type in a random link, then hit on save once done. After that, just add in a subject line for this. Now, type in a name for this template. Type one that is appropriate for your email. Once everything is done, just go ahead and click on Save Template at the bottom. And there you have it, your template is successfully created. Now to use it, you can go to CRM and go to Contacts. After that, just select one of your contacts. Now, under their name, click on this email to create a new one. Then, on the upper ribbon, click on Templates. Here you can see the one that you just created, so go ahead and choose it. And there you have it. You can now use your created email template. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.